Hello guys, we are preparing our dinner steamed fish guys. Chili, spring onion, of course, the black beans, and ginger. Okay, ayan, and fish, papano. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo na guys, it's a beautiful life. This is chili, red chili, the long one chili guys, look. And of course, our spring onion, black beans, and ginger and fish. Enjoy watching. God bless. Yan na guys, o tingnan nyo, napakasarap yung ating gawing steam. Preparing steam fish. Papano, ayan. Yan, ganda-ganda. Yan na guys, yung ating niluto. Ayan na, ready to eat na. Cooking done. Enjoy. Cooking done na tayo. Ayan, cooking done. Ayan, cooking done. Ayan, maganda yung may chili, may black beans. Ayan. Look guys, this is our minced pork with salted vegetables. And of course, our steamed fish. Ayan, steamed fish na yung ating pagkain. Enjoy watching. Ayan guys, steamed fish na yan. Ayan. Ayan na guys, done na. Ayan, dinner for today guys. Enjoy watching. God bless our dinner. This is our menu for today, chicken wings with that one guys. Ayan, celery. So guys, shrimp, carrots, lofa, that's like patula, and of course straw mushroom. Ayan, and ginger. Ayan, ito yung mas marami guys. Mince, garlic, spring onion, ginger, carrots, and salted fish, and chicken, and tofu. Enjoy watching. God bless. Guys, luto na yung ating pagkain guys. Tofu with chicken, meat chicken with carrots, and of course spring onion. Enjoy watching. Hello guys, luto na rin yung ating good morning, shout out everyone. Chicken wings with celery guys. Enjoy watching. Ayan na guys, luto na yung ating shrimp, mushroom, straw, and of course lofa, like patula. Ayan na guys, yung ating dinner for today. Ayan, shrimp with lofa. What's this? Lofa with straw mushroom. Ayan. Enjoy watching. Ayan na guys, hello. Shout out. Ayan na yung ating dinner guys. Oh. Our dinner for today. Alay. It's completo. gwapa, oh. Done cooking na tayo dyan, ha? We are done cooking. Enjoy watching. God bless. Yes, ma'am. Magkuha tayo ng kanyang natin, guys, ha? Ang party natin, okay? Kompleto na yan siya, guys. Nakukuha lang ko ng party ko, guys, ah. Pero guys, hindi naman tayo damihin yung ating party. Konti lang talaga. Kasi alam nyo, nagda-diet ako, guys. Nakalimutan ko nga rin kanina, guys, kumain. Kung ano kayang kinain ko kanina, no? Ay, kumain pala ako kanina ng ano, guys. Kainin ko itong tofu, ah. Alam nyo naman tayo, guys, ng mga tao, kailangan natin kumain. Huwag naman masyado mag-diet, guys. Nandiyan na muna kayo, ha? Just watching, okay, what I'm thinking here. I just think only, guys. That's all. I'm not eating much, guys, because, you know, it's diet. It's diet. Maniwala ka dyan, guys, na ma-diet siya, guys, no? Dalawa lang aking kukunin na serum, guys, ah. Wala na sila dyan. Alam niyo naman tayo, guys, na, ano, kailangan ko talaga, guys, kumain ng mga vegetables. I like vegetables. Hindi yan sila, guys, kasi kumakain ng mga carrots dito. Dalawa lang yung shrimp kakainin ko, guys, because afternoon I eat also already. Okay, thank you, guys. This is mine. Yan, ang dami na yan, no? Ano pa ba ang gusto mo? Thank you, guys. Ikaw ay tulad ko. Gutom na sila. Kaya natin, pakainin natin sila, guys. Alagaan natin ang mga amo natin. Kasi sila ang nagsasahod sa atin, mga guys.